Oh, yeah, baby. There we go. Palantir stock went up over 8.5% on the day. And you guys see this right here. Had to celebrate with some Chick-fil-A. And no, I wish, but no, they're not sponsoring this video, guys. But had to celebrate with some Chick-fil-A. You're probably like, Stas, Chick-fil-A, what the heck? Couldn't you have gotten something better? And the truth is, I probably could have gotten something better. But, guys, I love me some Chick-fil-A. It is what it is. So cheers. We're going to break down Palantir today, the whole 9 yards. You guys know the drill. But first, hit that like button. Do not forget to subscribe and get your free stocks from Moomoo. Once you open up your account, using that link down below and fund it with at least $100, you get 5 free stocks. Fund it with at least $1,000, you get 10 more free stocks. And overall, your uninvested cash for now will earn up to 8.1% APY. So guys, what are you waiting for? Again, use that link down below or go to stassurfs.com/Moomoo. And with that being said, let's get into it. So yeah, Palantir, 8.5% green day today, guys. And you want to know what's even crazier than that? It's the fact that in the pre-market, we were at $70 per share, $70 flat, and we closed over $80 per share. So we went up essentially almost $11 in the last 12 hours. Unreal, which is a 15% move if you take a look here from top to bottom, which for a company now that's over an $100 billion market cap, that's a big swing. We're talking billions of dollars, of market cap today. We saw that fluctuation, that kind of fluctuation, which this had to have been one of the biggest fluctuations we've seen in this particular stock in the recent history. But yeah, big day for Palantir, big day for the stock market, guys. I mean, geez, green all across the board, S&P, Dow, Russell, NASDAQ. And on the 5-day, 5-minute now on PLTR, we're clearly breaking out again. We're taking out the highs from yesterday, from the entire week for that matter. And if I pull up this 30-minute chart, we're now pushing past the highs from the end of last week. And now we're actually, a stone's throw away from all-time highs, being about $82.50, 60, actually $82.70 is the exact all-time high. So, guys, do you remember that wedge we talked about here on the YouTube channel? Well, that is playing out in the favor of the bulls right now, which you guys see right here. We have, or I guess we had lower highs being made from 82.70, 79.75, $77.60. We hit another one yesterday at $76 flat. That was another lower high. But now, guys, we're taking out this resistance, breaking out. And again, now the next main spot is the all-time high, $82.70. So, yeah, the bulls are back. I mean, it was, a good week, 2 weeks of flat trading, if you will. I mean, it was still pretty volatile, during that time period, but the stock stayed in the same range, if you will, between 75, 78, $72 in that range. But now we're really starting to break out, guys, and the bulls are back. They hibernated for a good 2 weeks, pretty short hibernation there, and now we're taking out the wedge and looking really good. So at this point, man, I would not be surprised if we hit all-time highs again, maybe before the end of this year, right? We're about $2 away, $2.20, or about 2%, which for Palantir at this point, guys, 2% for that stock or for this stock to do that in a day, it's like another old day in the stock market. 2% is nothing. So all-time highs, my guess is they might hit this upcoming week as we're slowly wrapping up the year. We're slowly wrapping up the year, guys, which is nuts. The holidays are here. It's Christmas time. Merry Christmas, guys. I appreciate you all for tuning in. And, I mean, it couldn't have been a better year for Palantir, man. One for the books, no doubt about it. And like I said, all the indexes crushed it today. It was a great rebound day for the stock market. We had the S&P 500. If I pull up SPY here, and by the way, guys, join my email list. Almost forgot to mention, I'm sending out my top 3 stocks every Monday, and the beautiful thing is that it's free. All you have to do is put your first name and your email address using that link in the description box down below, also pinned in the comments. And again, every Monday, my top 3 stocks. You guys might as well, sign up for that. So where was I? Indexes. We hit nice green days on all the indexes today. The S&P went up 1.2%. Clearly bouncing at a higher low here on the 4-hour chart, continuing the uptrend, which, I mean, what more could you ask for at this point, guys? QQQ up almost 1% on the day, and it looks very similar to the S&P 500. Holding a higher low, looking pretty good at about 518, 520. Now we're about 20 points away from all-time highs. But overall, guys, we are rallying. The rally is continuing. Uptrend's continuing, no doubt, on QQQ here. And the Dow, 1.2% green day. Very good day for the Dow. Seeing some buying pressure above this 180 SMA on the 4-hour chart. Buyers are coming in, which is good. And the Russell, same thing. We're getting some buyers, holding an uptrend, higher low, the whole 9 yards. And I've mentioned this before in my recent videos, but I'm watching IJR very closely heading into the new year, as this is a small cap ETF. If we do get a bounce in the Russell, this will follow suit and we'll catch a trade on it potentially. Ticker symbol IJR. I do like it here on the dip. I'm not in it yet, full disclosure, but I might be at some point over the next, week or two. I'm considering throwing some money at this thing here. But yeah, that's IJR up about 74 cents on the day. I guess exactly 74 cents on the day. And in terms of other stocks today, guys, I mean, Palantir literally was the most green stock. Well, I guess Enphase was neck and neck with it, but it was the most green stock on my watch list today, guys. Enphase was right there. Like I said, ENPH is the ticker, although this chart still looks like crap, so I'm not too happy about Enphase right now. But CCL reported earnings, it looks like, and this stock's popping 6.5%. Let me actually pull this up. Looks like CCL, Carnival Cruise Line, reported EPS adjusted of 14 cents versus 8 cents expected on sales of, 5.93 versus 5.93, I guess. So right in line with sales. They beat EPS, not bad. And it looks like here the uptrend on CCL is continuing. We're popping, bouncing off that 180 moving average, breaking back over the 50 moving average. So keep your eyes on CCL, guys. Keep your eyes peeled. So, yeah, we're going to wrap it up here. No need to, keep on yapping here, guys. If you enjoyed the video, hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe and snag up your free stocks from Moomoo. Once you open up your account using that link down below, you get 5 free stocks. Once you fund it with at least $100, fund your account with at least $1,000, you get 10 more free stocks. That's 15 free stocks, guys. And overall, your uninvested cash for now will earn up to 8.1% APY. So what are you waiting for? Use that link down below or go to StockSurfS.com/Moomoo. And with that being said, cheers. I'm going to go finish this, lemonade here, guys. Cheers. I'll catch you in the next video.